Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on how to speed up and slow down video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if I play this video briefly, this is the video at full speed. Now we can go ahead and just speed up or slow down the entire section here, this entire video. We just right click. So again, you right click, go to speed and duration. 100% is 1 time speed, 50% will be 1/2 of the speed, and 200 will be double the speed. So as those reference marks, you can choose if you want to speed up or slow down. So say we want to go 25% or 1/4 of the speed, we just go ahead and hit OK. Notice how the length of the video has changed. Okay, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but you see that running a lot slower. Okay, stop that. Now let's make the video faster. Again, I right click, speed and duration. Let's double the speed. Go to 200. Okay. And again, it shortens the actual time the video plays and just speeds it up. So you notice how this time has shrunk. Played and video goes a little bit faster. You can also cut out a portion of the video that you want to make a little bit faster or a little bit slower. So let's return this video to 100, okay, or 1 time speed. Let's cut out some middle part here. So you just go to cut here, and you click where you want to start the cut. You want to end the cut. Okay, we can go back to our selection tool. Let's say we want to slow the middle down. You can slow whatever part you want down, but slow the middle down. Now, the thing is that, as you saw before, when we slowed down, the video got longer. So what we have to do is going to move this out of the way, and then because it spreads out, so we don't want to overwrite the rest of the video. Let's make this half speed. Okay, so go about double the size there, perfect, and we can throw this back together, and then you can quickly see here. The video slows down and then speeds back up. Okay, so what we're going to do now is then speed up a portion of the video, and it's the same as the previous. We're just going to go right click, speed duration. Let's make this 300 or 3 times the speed. Okay, we're going to hit OK. All right, and you notice it got a lot shorter. Go ahead and hit play here. We can see this is the normal speed. This is them slowing down and then speeding up. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching.